My name is Elizabeth Wangari Washira. I'm in charge of general business, which takes care of underwriting and claims in Kenyan Airlines. Travel insurance is an insurance product that is designed to take care of travelers when they're going to different destinations, and it safeguards them from unforeseen events. It could be accidents, it could be illnesses, sudden illnesses. So it gives them that financial protection, ranging from trip cancellations to medical expenses. It will apply before your trip. For example, if you happen to cancel your trip for any covered reasons, maybe your family member has passed on, those costs for cancellations or even booking a ticket will be covered. Then in the event that you're traveling in your trip, during the duration of the trip, you happen to fall sick or you lose your luggage, that is also covered. I want to imagine that any time one decides to go on a trip, they fully plan their trips, including their contingencies, including the expenditure and all that. So travel insurance is critical because it's going to cover you against any financial losses from any issues that might disrupt your travel plan. So during the holiday season, it's at the peak. Airports can be busy, including ground transportation, which can cause traffic, which also can lead to travel delays. So if you have this insurance product with us, then you're guaranteed to get compensation for probably the time you spend in hotels, having meals as you wait for the trip that was cancelled. So it's actually very, very good and important to have that cover, because if you're traveling with a family, then your expenditures might overrun your budget, and having this cover will be very key, especially in making sure that you do not go over and above your budget. We do have different options under our travel insurance product, and all that is informed by the destination where you're going to, the number of days you're going to, because the longer you stay, the more you might get charged. Then if you're a student, it's good that you say you're traveling as a student, because students are expected to go for very long periods of time, and the rates are actually discounted. So we'll give you the different options to select. If you're going to Schengen countries, if you're traveling all over the world, then you'll have all these options to select from. In the event of any cancellation or delay, the travel insurance cover you've already taken with us will take care of that, because when there's a trip cancellation, then it means you have to be somewhere. You have to maybe get a hotel, you have to travel to that hotel, you have to incur expenses for your meals that you have not planned for. So all that is going to be catered for, as well as the trip cancellation costs that comes with it. If it's a new ticket, all that is going to be catered for. And that also goes for delay, because you might be traveling at 7 a.m., then your flight is again delayed up to maybe 12 midnight. Where will you be all that time? So whatever expenses you incur, your travel insurance cover is going to reimburse you to the cost, and according to the limits that you also selected. Remember when we discussed about the options you have, so you'll be reimbursed up to the limits you purchased with us. Our travel insurance product will cover you locally and internationally. If you happen to be traveling abroad and you happen to fall sick, we have a medical service provider who you can get in touch with immediately, and they're able to come and take you to the nearest medical facility and take care of you for the first 24 hours. So that is very much possible and done. Locally, we've also partnered with different ambulance services and hospitals, and they can easily be accessed for you to be able to get to the nearest hospital for immediate care. So yes, it will get reimbursed for you losing it, but just to remind you that you get reimbursed to the limits that we've stated. Yeah, the different packages will give you different limits for compensation, but definitely it is covered. So for travel insurance products, like we have, the one we have, it is not a shared benefit product. So you will have to buy for your individual family members, so that they can also get individual protection in the event of any emergencies that are unexpected. From where I sit, the biggest mistake one can make is failing to procure a travel insurance because here, remember, you're traveling with your loved ones, and you're traveling to destinations that probably you've never been to before, and anything can happen. Incidents can happen, unforeseen events that will totally disrupt your travel plans. So ensure you have a travel product with you way before you start planning your trip, so that you can feel secure and enjoy your holiday.